He has just escaped. Go back in the cage. Go back in the cage. See that? That's how she escaped. Unbelievable. He tries to escape again. Oh, I think she's going for it. She just waits there until I'm like not looking or I'm not really paying attention. Let's see if she doesn't want to pay attention. She knows it's wrong too because she goes right back in. Oh, you saw that? Go back in there. Go back in there. Go. This cage is actually for like a parrot. A parrot, not a parakeet. I'm even making out. Calm down, Snowy. Okay, Snowy. We heard you. We know you're there. Yes, Snowy? Wow. And then it gets quiet. Oh, right when you said that. Going crazy. You two are so quiet. Look how quiet you two are. You two are good birdies. They're loud birdies. Damn. They're so loud. You guys are not doing anything? You guys are. Nothing. Are. Nothing. Are. Nothing. You guys are. Well, maybe not. Not anymore. Oh. Of course when I said it. Nothing. Alright then. That's pretty fast. I thought this video would be longer. Watch, right when I turn off the video, then I'm start talking. Well, thank you anyways, guys. This has been the Breakaway channel then. Bye.